Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and if you have a dog that sheds, this tool might be everything you're searching for. This is a de-shedding tool from MalsiPree, and this is a grooming brush that has two different sides to it. So whatever the need is when you're brushing your dog, whether your dog has long hair or short hair, whether there are mats stuck in the coat, or even if your dog has an undercoat that sheds all the time like mine does, this tool is going to tackle all of those problems. It's very effective at removing loose fur, but it is not irritating to the dog. So my dog Honey is part husky and part lab, and she does not like being brushed. She doesn't like being approached by things in my hands, especially tools. But I was able to brush all of her coat without any difficulty. She did not seem to be scared or uncomfortable, maybe a little hesitant, but once I was brushing her, she was fine the whole time. So I'm really impressed by the results I got from this tool. The fact that it removes so much of her loose fur, easily for me to do, but also easy for her because she was not upset or uncomfortable. Her coat is so glossy and shiny. She looks so beautiful after I've used this tool. And even more importantly, she's shedding a lot less because I've gotten rid of all that loose fur because it has that two-sided de-shedding tool. I'm so pleased with how I'm able to get all of Honey's loose fur brushed out of her coat. She does not seem bothered by my use of this tool. She is not uncomfortable while I'm using it. And her coat is glossy and shiny afterwards. So I'm really happy with the results I've gotten from using this de-shedding tool. And that is my point of view.